Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between economics and economy. We all encounter words like economics and the economy in our day-to-day life. Economics is an organized body of knowledge which studies the behavior and activities of an individual, firm or nation which are related to maximize the satisfaction of wants or advance the welfare and economic growth by optimum production, distribution, consumption and exchange of scarce resources that have alternative uses. On the other hand, the economy can be understood as the aggregate of all the arrangements for production, distribution, purchase, consumption and exchange of goods and services, and employment in a society or nation. In finer terms, economy refers to the summation of all the methods that helps the individuals or governments in making an economic choice. So, let's look into the basic differences between economics and economy in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Economics can be defined as the social science which stresses on the behavior, interactions and decisions of economic agents regarding the satisfaction of their wants when the resources are limited. On the other hand, economy refers to an organized system, which encompasses production, distribution, consumption and exchange of goods and services and level of employment in a nation or region. Number 2. Economics is theoretical, as it contains theories, models and principles, as against the principles and theories of the economics are practically applied in economy. Number 3. Economics analyzes the way in which individuals, families, organizations and nations make choices in the face of scarcity of resources. Conversely, the economy tells you about the way resources are allocated among different members of society. And, difference number 4. The primary focus of economics is on how individuals, families, firms and nations behave and interact, how they make choices, how society uses its limited resources, and how economies work. On the contrary, the main focus of the economy is on how the company's economic affairs are organized and conducted. To sum up, we can say that economics is a subject concerned with the optimization of available resources in an efficient manner. On the other hand, economy denotes the economic condition, status and activities of a geographical area or country. So, these are the differences between economics and economy. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.